the mail just came. I am so excited about this. I've been wanting to up my game, and it was time for me to bite the bullet and get the big dog. And so I did. It's the Rode system. It's 2 mics. It's got the receiver and 2 transmitters. I'm gonna open her up. I guess this is just the like case. Ta-da! Accessories. These are the little wind guards. Stickers. Well, so far, if they land on carpet, they're fine. And this really is like the beginner opening it. Let's see how user-friendly this is. So pretty. Okay, so the pieces and parts. This is the receiver. It's being charged. And then I have 2 transmitters. This little guy means that it's on and the battery is green. This little guy means that it has been linked to here. There is a couple of different audio inputs. Like I've got this that would be applicable to things that I don't own or care to own at this point, but I'll save it somewhere. There's 2 USB-C to USB-C cords, and then there is a USB-C to the old Apple one as well. Over here, I've got different kinds of clips, like I already said, and then these are the kind that will go like this to here. I've used these before with videographers, and I have never had to set them up. You've got the quick start guide, but it doesn't do like anything. Followed that right there, and that's what got me to the Rode system. I have the Rode podcasting system, and it did take a minute. Again, I'm not a tech savvy person, but I'm not somebody who's not incapable. I'm not incapable of learning. It's just not always intuitive. I think I'm gonna stop charging this and I'm gonna try it, and now we're gonna see if this actually is going to work. I don't think I have a whole lot of time. It's blinking red here, but that's solid. This is solid. I think it's working. So I'm gonna walk away and we're gonna test it, and then I will let you know. Okay, can you hear me? I am in my room. I'm in a different room, and I really hope that this works, because if not, I'm going to be so sad and frustrated and have to pull up more tutorials. Okay, it worked. I am so excited. I am so excited. So this was not inexpensive, but I think it's going to be totally worth it. I have used other mics in the past and they were good, but they weren't great. And I'm looking for great. I know that good quality audio and good quality camera is really important. Like I want it to look and sound clear. Besides the phone, it will be the second most expensive thing that I've gotten in order to be able to do any sort of video content well. I can usually find really well lit spots to be able to take videos. It's just the audio and the video quality that I want to make sure are just top notch, because Rachel doesn't do things half-baked. Stay tuned for more.